Good morning, students. So, today we are going to see the profit sharing problems that we already started in the live class. So, admission of a partner, the first adjustment is the profit. How to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, gaining ratio, or sacrificing ratio in different type of conditions. Okay, so see the illustration third. So there is a different type of cases, and we finish the first case, and in the second case see the third illustration. It is there are two partners in the firm and the old profit sharing ratio is 7:3. Okay, so they admitted N is a new partner and he is bringing his share of profit is 3/7, which he takes 2/7 from the L and 1/7 from M. Okay, so this is the new share which is coming inside with the partner N, and he is taking the 2/7 from the L and 1/7 from the M. So they asked to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So what is the new share? What is the new share of N? That is 3/7, which takes from 2/7 from L and 1/7 from M. So what is the L new share? So already is having the 7:3, that is 7/10. I'm right. Okay. So in this, so in this 7/10 is the, what is the 7/10 is the old. Okay, is the old. So in this he is sacrificing 2/7. So taking the LCM and using the mathematical methods, we have to find the ratio. And for the M also, already 3/10 and he is sacrificing 1/7 to N. Okay, so already N new share is 3/7. So he is bringing the share of profit is 3/7. So we have to convert, that is, what is the, for L 29 is to 11 is to 3, and we have to see the denominator. So for 70 is the denominator, so we have to convert. So by multiplying 10 in the numerator and denominator, N will be 30. Okay, so very simple sum. See the illustration fourth sum. There are two partners and profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Okay, 3:2. So they admit the blue. So the new partner is coming with the share is 1/4. Okay, which is purchased from red and white in the ratio of 2:1. So he is purchasing that 1/4 share in the ratio of 2:1 from the other two partners. So they asked to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the three partners. What is the blue share? It is 1/4. So he is purchasing that 1/4 from the other two partners in the ratio of 2:1. So from red, for red 2/3 and for white 1/3. I'm right. So the blue is purchasing 1/4. So 1/4 into 2/3. Okay, and from white 1/4 into 1/3. Okay, so next, so this much, there is 2/12 share is purchased, and from white that is white is sacrificing 1/12. So red new share is, what is that? 3/5. 3/5. What is that? It is 3/5 is the old share. 3/5 is the old share. I'm right. So 3/5 minus, so in this 3/5 red, what is the red old profit? 3/5. In this he is sacrificing 2/12. Okay, and white new share, what is his old share? That is 2/5. In this he is sacrificing 1 by 12. Okay, and what is the blue's share? 1 by 4. So in this we have to see the denominator and we have to change and we have to make the denominator same for all the new partners, and we have to find the new ratio for 3 partners. Okay, it's a very simple sum. Next see the sum. There are 2 partners. Old profit sharing is 3:2. Z is the new partner. That is, share of profit is 1 by 6. So Z acquires his share from X and Y in the ratio of 2:1. So they are same sum. It's a very important sum. Okay. So the same model, do it as a homework sum. Okay. The next one is, we are going to see about the case 3. See about the case 3. Now we are going to study about the case 3. What is the case 3? That is, when new partner's share is given and he acquiring the share only from one of the partner. So in the case 2, the new partner's share is given and he is purchasing that share from all the partners. I'm right. That is the case 2. From all the partners. That is, all the partners are sacrificing. So there will be the changes in all the partners sharing ratio. But in the case 3, the new partner is bringing the share and he is purchasing the share from only one partner. That is the case 3. Okay. So see the illustration 6. There are 2 partners. Old profit sharing is 4:1. So Tom is the new partner and his share is 1 by 4, and which is purchased from Naveen. That is one of the partner from Naveen. Okay, so 1 by 4 is the new partner share and he is purchasing from only one partner, that is Kavin. So they asked to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So what is the Tom? Tom is the new partner row, that is 1 by 4, and he is purchasing from the Kavin only. So what is the Kavin old profit sharing ratio? That is Kavin 4 by 5. In that he is sacrificing 1 by 4. So only we are separating minus 1 by 4. That is, what is the formula? Old share minus sacrificing share to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. It's very simple. So another partner, there will be no difference, but we have to make all this in the equal ratio. So by seeing the denominator, we have to make, because 1 by 4 is the new partner, and what is the Kavin? Kavin is 11 by 20, and what is the Menon? That is 1 by 5. Okay, so now we have to change. See the denominator. So for Tom it will be 5. Okay, into 5 into 5, and for Kevin 4. So Kevin is the partner. So 4:2. No changes for the Kevin, no. So 4. And for 11 is the Kevin. So 11:4:5. Okay, it's a very simple sum. And next we are going to see about the case 4. See the case 4. When new partner share is not given, in the case 4, new partner shares is not given and the old partners are sacrificing some part of their share in the favor of the new partners. So what is the fourth case? When the new partner share is not in the problem and the other partners is sacrificing some of the part from their shares in the favor of the new partner. That is the fourth case. Okay, so see the illustration 7 sum. The two partners are there are 2 partners and the profit sharing is 5:3. That is the old. Sham surrenders 1/5. Okay, 1/5 of his share, whereas John surrendered 1/3 of his share in the favor of the new partner. Calculate the new profit sharing. It's very easy, no? So what is the, so now we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing of sham, how to calculate? What is the old? 5/8. In this he is surrendering 1/5. So 1/8. Okay. The next, for John, what is the old profit sharing ratio? That is 3/8. In this he is surrendering 1/3. That's all. Next, how to calculate the new share of sham? That is old share minus sacrificing share. I'm right. It is the formula. So we have to use that formula. What is the old share for the sham? That is 5/8. Minus sacrificing is, we calculated, no, 1/8. That is 4/8. For the John also the same procedure. And now we have to see what is the new share of the new partner. Okay. How to calculate? That is 1/8 is surrendered by sham, plus John is also sacrificing 1/8. So totally 2/8 is the new share of the new partner. That is the share of the new partner which is sacrificed by the other two partners. Okay. So very simple sum. So see the next sum. Admission of the two partners. Admission of two partners. So there are two partners, Sita and Geeta, 5:3. So they admitted the two new partners, Kavita and Kaumini, are the two partners. Okay. So Sita surrendered 1/2 in the favor of Kavita, and Geeta surrenders 1/3 of his share in the favor of Kaumini. So calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Sita, Geeta, Kavita and Kaumini. So what is the old ratio? That is 5:3. So share which is surrendered by Sita, how much? 1/2. So 1/2 into what is the old? 5/8. 5/8 into 1/2. Next, what is the share which is surrendered by Geeta? That is old is 3/8. In that she is surrendering 1/3. So 1/3 into 3/8. The next one is calculating the new profit sharing ratio by the formula. That is old share minus sacrificing share. Okay. So now what is the new profit sharing ratio of Sita, Geeta, Kavita and Kaumini? That is the Sita. How to calculate? It is for Sita we have to see. So now see all the denominator and we have to change as per the denominator. Okay. So the ratio will be 15:12:15:6. Okay. It's a very simple sum. The next one is sacrificing ratio. The next one is sacrificing ratio. That is the formula is old share minus new share. Old share minus new share. Okay. So from the calculation of point of view of sacrificing ratio, there may be following situations. So there may be two situations for finding the sacrificing ratio. What is the first one? That is new partner acquires his share from all the existing partners. We have studied, no? From all the partners are sacrificing the sum of share to the new partner. And another one is new partner acquires his share from only one partner. That is only one of the partners sacrificing share to the new partner. Okay. So see the sum illustration, ninth sum. A and B were the partners sharing the profit. That is 21:9 is the old profit sharing ratio. Okay. Next, C was admitted for a share of 9 by 12 in future profit. Calculate the in future profit means we have to assume the profit as a 1 because we don't know about the amount of future profit. So only we are assuming as a future profit as a 1. Okay. So C was admitted for a share of 9 by 12 in a future profit. So calculate the new ratio and sacrificing ratio of the partners. So what is the C share? 9 by 21. We are assuming the profit is 1. So remaining share. This is the first case. Okay. So 1 minus 9 by 21. We are getting certain ratio. And now we are finding the new share of the partners. How to calculate? That is the old. What is the old share? That is 21 by 30 for A. I am right. 21 by 30 into what is the remaining share? That is 12 by 21. This is the A's new share. Like that for B also. That is 9 by 30 is the old profit sharing ratio and we have to multiply with the remaining share. That is 12 by 21. Okay. Next. So what is the new ratio? What is the new ratio? That is 84 is to 36 is to 90. How they calculated the new ratio? That is, see, 12 by 30. 12 by 30 is the A. I am right. 6 by 35 is the B. And 9 by 21. 9 by 21 is the C. Okay. So in this we have to find the we have to find the LCM and we have to convert into the we have to convert the denominator as the same. Okay. Next. So now we have to, in this sum they asked to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and also the sacrificing ratio. Okay. So see that sacrificing ratio for A. What is the formula? That is old. What is the old? 21 by 30. 21 by 30. Okay. Minus 84 by. So we have to make all this denominator as the equal. So what is the total? 210. Okay. 210. And we have to use the formula and we have to find the sacrificing ratio of the two partners. Okay. Next. See the illustration 10th sum. A and B are the partners. That is the old profit share 3 is to 2. And the new partner is admitted and he surrendered 1 by 5th share of A. A is the old partner, no? That is he surrendering 1 by 5th of his share of profit in the favor of C and B surrender the 2 by 5th. Calculate the new profit share and sacrificing ratio. It's very simple. A surrender means we have to calculate. So what is the old? 3 by 5 into how much he is surrendering. It is 1 by 5. Okay. And A's new share is old minus sacrificing. That is the new share. Finished? Next, come to the B. How much he is sacrificing? That is, what is his old share? That is 2 by 5. So in this he is surrendering 2 by 5. So 4 by 25. And then we have to calculate the B's new share, that is old minus sacrificing. Okay, so now C is getting how much from A? That is 3 by 25 and 4 by 25, that is 7 by 25. Okay, so very simple sum. And next one is when the new ratio of all the partners given including the new partner. So when the new ratio is given, we have to find the sacrificing ratio. It's also very simple sum. So there are two partners, 4:3 is the old, Z is the new partner of in future profit. Okay, so future profit, sharing the profit and loss in the future profit, and the new profit sharing ratio is given in the sum, that is 7:4:3, and they asked to calculate the sacrificing ratio of the other two partners, that is the old partners. So first we have to write all the information is given directly, so it's very simple sum. Old share minus new share. Old share is in the sum and there is a new share. This also 7:4:3. Okay, so 7 for X, 4 for Y and 3 for Z. Okay, so now come to the next sum. When new ratio of the old partner is given excluding the new partner. Okay, so see the sum. There are two partners A and B and their profit sharing is 3:2. They admit C is the new partner and his share is 1/4, and A and B decided to share the future profit equally. Okay, future profit, A and B decided to share the future profit equally. Calculate the new ratio and sacrificing ratio. So what is the C's share? That is 1/4. So in the sum, the new profit sharing is not given in the sum. So in the last sum, the new profit sharing ratio for the new partner is also given in the sum. But in the sum, the new ratio for the old partners is given, but the new partner is not given in the sum. So we have to find. Okay, so what is the C's share? That is 1/4. I'm right. So we have to find. So we have to consider the profit as the 1 and we have to find the remaining profit. So what will be the A's new share? That is what is the A's new share? 1/2. That is 1/1:1. That is the new profit sharing ratio for A and B. I'm right. So 1/2 into 3/4. Okay, and B share is 1/2 into 3/4. And new share is new partner share is already 1/4. So we have to convert to create the denominator as the same one. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? That is 3:3:2. And by having the old share and new share, we can easily calculate the sacrificing ratio. Okay. So all the sums is relating to the same model. Okay, so try all the sums. So all the sums is the same model. Okay, so try all the sums as a homework sum and do the problems in your homework note or classwork note. Finish all the sums in your homework note or classwork note. Okay, so up to the illustration 22 or 23. Up to the illustration 23, page number 5.10. So the cases are over. So by using these cases, there is a different type of problems. You have to analyze the problem and you have to the same, we are repeating the same procedure. How to calculate if the new share of partner is given, which is surrendered by one of the partner, or the other two partners are surrendering, or if they are surrendering, if whether he is purchasing the share from certain ratio. Okay, so as per the condition in the sum, we have to find out the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Okay, so complete all this problems in your classwork note. So the next class we are going to start to study the treatment of goodwill. What are all the adjustments relating to the goodwill in the admission of a partner. So complete all these sums. Okay, thank you students.